Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Dombek from ProAdjuster Chiropractic Clinic here in Beaverton, Oregon. And today I wanted to bring it to your attention some things that I know a lot of people aren't aware of. When they think of chiropractic, many times they think of doctors adjusting with their hands. Well, there's an incredible advancement in chiropractic today. We've got tools now that help the doctor completely realize where the spine needs care and where it doesn't. This puts a gentle 7-pound tap into the spine. While I'm tapping, it shows me on the screen where I need to adjust to make the patient's function return back to normal as quickly as possible. And patients just love it.